welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Habibat. If you are new on my channel, you are highly welcome, and if you're already one of the real MVPs, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you, and I love you, and I acknowledge you. Okay, that just so from my last video talking about how I applied to school in Russia, I got some questions and I'm just going to answer them. The first question is, what do I think is the best and worst part about studying in Russian university? Quick disclaimer, I am talking about my university, okay? So if you are a Russian and you don't agree with what I'm talking about, that's probably because you're not in my university. So I'm talking about my university because I don't attend all the universities in Russia. I attend one university, so I'm going to talk about that university, okay? Now, that being said, let's talk about the best part about studying in a Russian university. For me, the best, oh god, the best part about studying in a Russian university is that you get to retake exams. And when I say retake exams, I don't mean you carry over to the next semester. I mean you retake exam the next semester resume, like a week after resumption. You take your exam. Not necessarily the week, but I'm just saying like a week or two or a month after resumption. So, but just know you're not carrying over to the next year, you're just carrying over to like the next semester. So you're taking the exam. So it's not really a carryover, it's just retaking exam. And in Russia, you get to retake exam twice. So you take exam 3 times. You write it the first time. If you don't pass, you take it again. If you don't pass, take it again. If you don't pass, then I'm sorry, you gotta go home. I said that sounded mean, but now it's just if you don't pass the last time, you go home. That's how it works. And me personally, I don't like retaking exams, even though it's a pro. But I feel tensed if I don't pass it the first time. So now the same way I see it as a pro, I also see it as a con. So, but it is really a pro. And the second best part about studying in a Russian university is the fact that you get to accumulate your scores till the end of the semester. So you go to class, you listen to class, you answer questions in class, you write tests, you do different things that help you accumulate scores towards the end of the semester. And then if you don't write if you don't do well in your exam, that score kind of helps you boost your score for the exam. I hope I'm making sense. So basically you get to accumulate scores. Or like my university where I was in my country, we only take 1 exam for the semester and that's it. So you don't get to accumulate scores, you just take 1 exam and that is what decides your score for that semester. The third best part about studying in Russia is the fact that you get to listen to one topic twice. So let me explain this. In Russia we have classes and then we have lectures. So in lectures we just go there, normal lectures, you write notes, you listen to what the lecturer has to say, things like that. And then for class, here in Russia we are divided into groups. Let's say the whole pharmacy department, we have like probably, let's say 4 groups, and in each group we have 12 people. So 12 people each per 12 people per group. Now let's say I'm in group 1. Group 1 goes to class with a lecturer, and you take that same topic from lecture and listen to it over again, and you answer questions, you write tests. So basically it's not like you are listening to a lecture, it's just like you're communicating. You're communicating about the topic in class. So someone's answering questions, someone's asking the teacher a question, you're writing tests about the topic. So basically you're just redoing what you did in lecture, not listening. Yeah, like actually putting into work. That's how class works. So I hope I've explained it. So we have class and we have lectures. And so to be the best part about studying Russia is like listening to one topic twice. I hope I make sense. And I think that's all. No, that's not all. And the fourth one is being bilingual. Knowing another language is not an easy task. The fact that you know it, you should be proud of yourself if you are out there that can. Whatever language is, Spanish, French, Russian, Italian, as long as another language, as long as you're bilingual or trilingual or whatever lingual, it's a plus to you. So I think it's a plus to me that I can speak Russian language. Just say it. Number 1 is that you get to study for a longer time. Let's say if I was studying English, if I was reading about the brain, it would take me like a shorter period of time. But in Russia now, I feel like my Russian mates have it easier because they just, sometimes when you don't read for a class, you can just quickly swipe through it and understand what you are going to say in class. But for me, I have to read it intensively. I have to watch YouTube videos in English. I have to read it in English. I have to come back to Russian language. It's kind of just tedious reading. Studying is tedious. So that's the number one con. And the second worst part about studying in Russia is that you don't have time. Like I said, you have to study a lot. You have to go to class every single day, including Saturday. I'm still trying to get used to the fact that I have to go to school on Saturday. You have no idea. So yeah, you have to go to school every single day apart from Sunday. And Sunday you're even preparing for Monday class. So it's basically like as if you are going to school every day. That being said, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you. I'm just joking. That's what I have to say. The cons are not really that much. To me personally, that's how I feel. I feel like the pros are more than the cons. So you can just give it a try if you are planning to come and study in Russia. Just come. It's not that hard. Okay, it's hard kind of, but you'll be fine. Okay, I can't say I promise you you'll be fine. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.